Yo, what's good, YouTube, we back with it. With another vlog. We come into the shop. Yeah. We come into the shop. So today we have a meet going on today. And I'ma just cut hair right now. I have like 5 or 6 clients today, and we finna go watch the whip today and enjoy the meet. Hope y'all like the vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what y'all trying to see, boys, next. You already know what it is. I'll show y'all a little bit throughout the video, the cuts. Let me know what y'all think. Peace. See y'all. But I just finished showering up and just got ready. You feel me? Yo, just got ready for the meet. Right now I'm just gonna... I gotta put gas in the car right now. I'm gonna go pick up my girl and then we're gonna head to the meet. We finna get going, and I'm gonna be vlogging right now on the phone. I'm not gonna be taking a GoPro, so I'm not gonna be showing y'all good quality, but I try to do the best for y'all boys, you feel me? Do it for the fans, do it for all y'all, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know I fuck with y'all, but finna get to the whip, show y'all the startup. I got something for y'all, haven't told y'all. I know, I've been out. It's been a minute, but gonna show y'all what I did to the whip. Got it washed. I'm gonna show y'all the cold start. It's already, well, not cold start. It's been cold started already, but I'm gonna show y'all what I done to it. Sounds a little bit different. Y'all gonna see it. Headers in there, boys. That stop, little baby stop. Yes, sir. We finna get going to the meet, boys. I'll see y'all right now. As y'all can see, I have headers in the car. Finna get going to the meet right now. I'm gonna go pick up my girl and I gotta pump gas. We'll be back and I'll see you in a bit.
Another day